I'm going to show you guys and share what I know how to start 4-stroke air-cooled engine, and as an example how you shouldn't do it, and this machine you probably should stay under the roof. Alright, we have some snow. Okay, put a key in ignition and make sure, oh yeah, sit on warm, don't sit on cold stuff, otherwise you will put yourself in trouble later. And make sure, oh boy, there's so much snow, gosh. And emergency brake is on, aka parking brake, and crank the engine. Oh yeah, unfortunately nothing's going to happen, seems like. Okay, choke up, choke is on, and try it more. And it sounds like our batteries, oh, I seems it's flat, it's not much power. Well, try more. I think we're not getting fuel somehow. Yeah, there's no fuel getting to the carburetor, and battery is flat, and seems like goose is cooked. And well, not much we can do now. We need to get power, we need to get some jump start. Okay, open up the hood, and yeah, now we connect it to the battery charger, and a few more times. Nah, canoe is dead. It's cranking pretty good right now, but we're not getting any fuel. There's no fuel, it cannot start. It has been sitting for too long. Alright, that is a solution. Find the Gatorade bottle, empty it out, and fill with the gasoline. This is the way to do it. Otherwise, pump won't be able to get any fuel to the engine. Okay, fill it up, put that orange cap back, and yeah, simple enough. Always good to use those bottles. You just squeeze them. Okay, open the hood again. Alright, there's just lots of snow. That's a big chunk of snow just fall from the roof and cover the little loan tractor. Yeah, take an air filter cover off, and pull the air filter element as well, and put it away. Okay, here's a trick. It's just get some gas into the engine and squirt that bottle one time and open it up. And you don't need much, just a little bit for first start. Okay, try it now. Now it should start. It's cold. And that's a little bit of fuel will change the game. Okay, our chalk is on, and crank it. Just trying. Oh yeah. Yeah, not too bad. Fire it up. It's not a diesel. This engine has a spark plug. It has a spark. The engine is running. Don't rev it too high. It's probably on a camera, it's like a revving so high, but now it's on choke. Low down the RPM. Doesn't need to rev. And wow, it's good. Okay, one step at a time. Engine is running. Turn your battery charger off. It doesn't need any power right now. It's running. Put that filter element back. Make sure nothing will get into the engine, and it seems like it's revving up so high, but it's not. It just seems, yeah. When I listen the recording, oh, it seems like it's just on full rev. Yeah, tires seems to be okay, but I need to free that loan tractor. It's all surrounded by the snow, and tires is not great. And I hope we'll get it. We need to pull a little bit further past the power pole and use the tractor. Yeah, try it for yourself. If you have this problem like that, you should be able to start it that way I did it. Yeah, we have a full tank of gas. That's a ticket. Okay, at least something good today. Yeah, lots of snow around. We'll shovel it later. Yeah, we have a spade. Yeah, there's a little bit of gas left, and put it back in the jerry can and keep it. See, my friend, that's the best way to do it, and this machine literally, I will say, should stay inside, but somehow or another it didn't happen, and just helping a friend to put this machine in the proper place. Okay, pour that gas back into the jerry can. Yeah, we'll use it later if we'll need it. Yeah, always take care of your equipment, and your machines will take care of you.